What I've learned is it's difficult for people to imagine that someone who looks like me can actually be the leader of an educational consulting firm with contracts around the country. It's difficult for people to imagine someone who looks like me to be a professional and all these different things. So I always have to answer this question. Yes, I'm a former educator, but also an entrepreneur. I've done a lot of work focusing on the mindset of entrepreneurship. You're talking about mindset in education today. You know what? I understand that entrepreneurship is a mindset. And yes, there's a difference between the skill set that we acquire and the mindset that directs the skills that we have. But I found something even more important, that we also have to address some of these sayings that we have that sound good but aren't true. Case in point. Raise your hand if you ever heard the expression, knowledge is power. Anybody heard that before? Okay. Oh, I'm here to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that that statement is not correct. Knowledge is not power. And I think deep in your heart, you all know this to be true as well. Think about it for a moment. Knowledge is not power. How do we know this? Well, simple fact. Raise your hand if you know any smart people that make stupid decisions. It's not the information that we acquire that necessitates power in our lives. It's not the information alone. Indeed, it's the strategic application of knowledge that brings power. Again, how we apply that which we know that gets us the results that we want. There's a difference between the skills that we have and the mindset that directs the skills. How we apply that information lies here at the mindset. So I've been doing a lot of studying and work around entrepreneurship as a mindset, how an individual can look at the world, develop a system of beliefs and attitudes and perspectives, like all entrepreneurs do, that lead them to be able to utilize that which they have to get what they want.